Hi guys, it's been a while since we met. Something I definitely failed in 2025 is being consistent on social media. Let this be one of my first wishes to myself and whoever it needs, staying consistent with whatever decisions we make. The reason I decided to film this video is that first of all, I finally feel great. I have a lot of energy this year. I am very happy, very optimistic, and we have our final adventure for this year planned. Today, me and Dany are going on a small trip. It's a 2 hours ride from where we live now, and we are going to spend New Year's in a completely new environment, on a boat with a lot of divers, none of whom we know. I'm a little bit anxious about it, but at the same time I think it will be great. Diving community is amazing. We'll be diving a lot, we'll be snorkeling, we'll be sightseeing the beautiful islands nearby, so I think it will be wonderful. Good morning guys, it's day 2 of our trip and today we woke up at 6:30 a.m. Went straight to breakfast, got picked up, and we're now currently waiting for our boat to arrive. We just arrived on our boat. Everything is still a little bit chaotic because there are so many people, not sure what to do, where to go, but we are going to do our first 2 dives, and then they will let us into our room and I will show you everything. I'll do a room tour. I can't wait. Just look at the view, guys. It's incredible. So we just did our first 2 dives. It was very nice, the visibility is great, the water is warm. I really enjoyed it, and now we are about to get our rooms and I'll do a room tour. Here is the first floor where you can see all our diving equipment, but this is where we got dressed and prepared for the dives. On the right, there is a small kitchen where the staff cooked amazing food for us, and bathrooms on the left. They're quite small combined with the shower, but honestly, you do not need much more for a couple of days you're there. Here's our room, also quite minimalistic. We got the one with 2 separate beds because it was a little bit bigger. And look at this nice view. Here you can see the second floor where we had all our food and also chilled in between the dives. We also had some coffee, snacks, tea, soft drinks, beer there, and talked to our dive masters in between the dives. On the first floor, we had something like a chill area to sunbathe, relax, and just spend some time. Last dive of the day. Let's go. We are done with the last dive for today, which was a sunset dive. Very nice. I think with night coming, the sea world opens in a completely different atmosphere. Now it's like around 6 p.m. on the 31st of December, and we'll have something like dinner, a small celebration. Also, I don't expect us to survive till the midnight because 3 dives per day, it's very intense physically, and tomorrow we are going to have 4. But you know, it's not so important this year. I'm very thankful in general for this experience. I think it's amazing. I think I'm very happy to be here with Dany, to have an opportunity like this. Yeah. Вот, это уже получше. Good morning, guys. Happy New Year. It's almost 7 a.m. I slept greatly last night. Went to sleep at 9. Slept through the new year. First time happening something like this to me.
So this is like a fish tank, and you can see some small marine life and a lot of yellowbacks here, luna fish here, big grouper. Sometimes you can see the big giant turtling up to this area. And then we come to this way, the reds. If the red not too strong, we just wet and look around. Enjoy that moment and cool off its stay around. And maybe that's one come.
Smile, baby.
That's a very authentic smile. Ah, there we go. There's that. Oh my god.
2 of our diving trip. I feel much better than I expected, honestly, both physically, mentally. I do not have any seasickness, though I usually do have it, which is a surprise for me and a very pleasant one. Today we already had our first 2 dives. I'm happy to say this might be the best dives we have ever had in our lives. The place is very beautiful, the visibility is very nice, and even though there are some like huge species like sharks, manta rays and stuff like that, but it's still very nice, crowded with fish, life whirl and everything. So yeah, I'm very happy to be here. One small thing is that Dany got a sinus squeeze, like his head hurts after ascending, so he might be skipping the next couple of dives. But overall it's going amazing. About to go on a night dive, which will be the first and the only one this time, and I start feeling anxious, to be honest, because the last time we did a night dive it was very sucky, the current was strong and I didn't enjoy it at all, but I'm willing to give it a second chance. So let's see how I feel. I hope it will be fine. A big plus of a night dive is that you can actually see stuff which is usually sleeping during the day. So maybe some octopus, maybe some baby sharks. But the thing that actually makes me uncomfortable is that it's very dark and I'm scared of darkness. So I hope they will give me a light and our dive master is making jokes about me. He finds it very funny that I'm scared, but I think I'm not the only one.
Excited?
Счастлив. It's day 3 and the last day of our diving trip. Honestly, both me and Dany realized that none of us want to go home. We kind of got into this rhythm where we dive, eat, sleep all the time, and repeat all over again, and it's amazing. Yeah, to be honest, I was extremely excited about everything when I was booking it, but the whole adventure exceeded my expectations. People are amazing, the dive is truly amazing, and we have dived in a lot of places in Thailand, and this has been the best so far. So no regrets, only excitement.